Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious croissant cream, a perfect filling for your pastries. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 100 grams of unsalted butter, 50 grams of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, have 25 grams of all-purpose flour and 150 milliliters of whole milk ready. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's begin crafting our cream base. In a medium bowl, cream together the 100 grams of softened unsalted butter and 50 grams of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Then, gently sift in the 25 grams of all-purpose flour. Finally, slowly mix in the 150 milliliters of milk and the teaspoon of vanilla extract until just combined. With our base ready, it's time to cook and thicken the cream. Transfer the mixture to a saucepan and heat it over medium-low heat, stirring constantly with a whisk. Continue cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the cream becomes thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. Once thickened, remove it from the heat. For a smooth finish, immediately transfer the hot cream to a shallow dish and cover its surface directly with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming as it cools. The final steps involve chilling and preparing your cream for use. Allow the cream to chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or until it is completely cold and firm. Once chilled, give it a quick whisk to restore its smooth, spreadable consistency. Now, your delicious croissant cream is ready to be generously piped or spread into your freshly baked croissants. Any leftover cream can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.